Hi guys and girls, welcome to my Patreon page. For those of you who don't know what Patreon is, it's basically a platform which lets you support your favorite creators, aka me, with any sort of monthly donations that you can afford or want to give. And in return, of course, I'll be giving you special perks for certain tiers that you select that you want to support me at. I'm really excited. I've put a lot of thought into what I can offer to my lovely supporters and followers that, you know, love my channel, love what I do, and want me to succeed further. So I've created different tiers, and you know, the last tier is crazy. You know, I did think about it for a long time, and you know, I'm even gonna offer something like going to your country and cooking with you in your kitchen. So there's something for everyone, from just private Patreon feed where you're gonna see behind the scenes and a bit more of my life, which I really want to share with you, and kind of also monthly hangouts with my other patrons. So we're definitely going to be doing a live Zoom call or Skype chat, or you know, whatever. It's going to be a video live show together with all of you, where we can just go deep and have any discussions and talk about life, talk about food, whatever you want to talk about. I really hope that you can support me, guys, especially if you haven't heard of this concept before. As you know, I still work so much. I work 7 days a week, 16 hours a day, and I've been doing that for the last 6 years, and I have nearly given up, I think, about 6 times. Every year I have this down period where I'm like, I can't do this, this is so hard. And you know, this is something that I don't really share, and it's quite raw. You know, only my close family and friends see that kind of side of me, but I really feel that I should be more open with you, and hopefully, you know, you will come on board to help me out. I really want to have my own baking store. That's my dream. And I really want to open the biggest online cooking school so I can teach people all the skills they need to know in order to be able to cook something nice. So these are my 2 massive goals that I want to achieve, and I really hope you can help me with that. Anything that you sponsor me with, I will appreciate, and of course I will give as much as I can in return. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that the Patreon page is now all done up and live. You can go over there and check it out and let me know what you think. I'm always open for any suggestions as well. And yeah, I can't wait to hang out with my Patreon fans. And I appreciate anything anyway, so even if you feel like you can't support me at this time, that's okay. I totally understand. I'm still going to be giving you free videos every week and loads of free recipes and other things that I do. But if you do feel like you want to support me, then I'm gonna, you know, be so grateful, and of course we're gonna hang out more and get to know each other better. So I'll leave all the links down below for you to check it out, and how you can sign up and look at different tiers. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye!